systems part of the template and the process, total game changer for me. And it's not that I didn't know about it before, but all of a sudden the light bulb went off that when you sit down and you really truthfully do a systems inventory of all the different pieces, all the systems that play into or affect a particular situation, it just opens up the ability to develop so many more lines of inquiry. There's so many systems that could have a gap or a problem or could have contributed to an unwanted event. So having that systems inventory just keeps your mind focused on the different parts. And then from that, the LOIs they just flow out of that. So systems inventory, total game changer for me.
That was the first thing where my mind went, was when you were talking about a lot of the investigation and going through a lot of those policies and procedures to find those lines of defenses, that AI can basically streamline this, and you can go gather all of those systems and the procedures, throw those into AI, and it's going to go ahead and create those line of defenses. So it's going to expedite this process dramatically, in my opinion. I think that's probably the biggest bottleneck.
I think what stood out to me even more so than any single element is just the fact that all of the various kind of pre-existing systems and programs out there were able to be fit into one overarching system that brings all those. I know we make the a comparison during the course itself between a tool and a toolbox, and I think what you have is a toolbox, but that's kind of underselling it, because it's also, a toolbox where you can't find the tools and don't know how to use each tool isn't really useful anyway. So it's the merging of all of them that kind of stands out to me. I'm used to the asking why, although I think the Socratic method that you teach, the Socratic questioning, is something that I had not seen necessarily put that way before. And I like that quite a bit as well.